Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech24. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech and beauty reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of Korean skincare with the Simplified Kbeauty skincare kit. This all-in-one spa kit delivers the best of Korean skincare products right to your doorstep, making self-care enjoyable and fun. What sets this skincare set apart is its water-based bubble cleanser that simplifies the famous Korean double cleansing method, along with the 2-in-1 Wonder Ampule toner that combines serum and toner for a single, power-packed step. The 7-piece full-size spa kit includes everything you need for a complete skincare routine: bubble cleanser, ampule toner, hydrogel eye patches, and face sheet masks. The Tensile sheet masks provide 5x ultra hydration with 3 types of hyaluronic acids, leaving your skin looking healthy and radiant. Achieve the coveted Kbeauty glass skin with this unique Korean skincare set designed to hydrate, brighten, clear pores, and give you a luminous complexion. And let's not forget about the under eye patches that reduce puffiness and rejuvenate tired eyes, leaving you looking refreshed and revitalized. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Simplified Kbeauty skincare kit and experience the magic of Korean skincare for yourself. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Quat.